it's great. It's finally all done. It's like what do you call it? When the planning stage goes on a bit, we have all these design happening, and then once it's started, it's just finished so quickly.
We had something quite specific in our minds in terms of we just wanted to space save as much as possible, and every other company said we can only do it a certain way, the staircase needs to be like this, but you were the only company that worked with us to realise this goal. Yeah, we were recommending during the build, we were recommending after the build, so yeah.